Welcome back to my or Swagatam in computer learning series, that is learning computer with seeing the beautiful natural sights of Indian village. And here is the beautiful sights of Indian village. Now in this topic I would like to talk about uh, the WW World Wide Web, or also called WWW triple W. The World Wide Web, abbreviated as WWW, is the most popular and promising method of organizing and accessing information on the internet. Main reason for its popularity is the use of concept called hypertext. Hypertext is a new way of information storage and retrieval that enables authors to structure information in novel way. A properly designed hypertext documents can help user locate desired type of information rapidly from vast amount of information on the internet. Hypertext documents enables this by using a series of links. Different systems shows a link on the screen in different ways, such as labeled bottom, different colored text, and highlighted text than normal text, or author defined graphic symbols. Link is a special type of item in hypertext document connecting the document to another document that provides more information about the linked item. The latter document can be anywhere on the internet. By connect, we means that a user simply select the linked item using a mouse or a key command, and the user sees the other document on his or her computer terminal almost immediately. So hypertext documents on the internet are known as web pages. Web page designers create a web page by using a special language called hypertext language, or HTML in short. So hypertext markup language HTML is a subset of more generalized language called a standard generalized markup language SGML, that is a powerful language for linking documents for easier electronic access and manipulation. Hypertext markup language is now a de facto industrial standard for creating web pages. The WWW uses client server model, and an internet protocol called Hypertext Transport Protocol HTTP in short, for interaction between computers on the internet. Any computer on the internet using the HTTP protocol is called a web server, and any computer accessing that server is called a web client. Use of client server model and the HTTP allows different kinds of computer on the internet to interact with each other. Consider a Unix workstation may be a web server and a Windows PC may be a web client. If both of them use the HTTP protocol for transmitting and receiving information. Now www browsers. So let's know about the www browsers. To use a computer as a web client, a user need to load on it a special software tool known as www browser. Normally browser provides following navigation facilities to help users save time while internet surfing. Internet surfing is a process of navigating the internet to search the useful information. So the navigation facilities provided by browsers are, unlike file transfer protocol and telnet, browsers do not require a user to log in to a server computer remotely and then to log out again when the user finishes accessing information on server computer. Browser enables a user to create and maintain a personal hot list of favorite URL addresses of server computer that the user is likely to visit in future frequently. A user's hot list is stored on his local web client computer. Browser provide hot list command to enable a user to add, delete, update URL addresses in hot list and to select a URL addresses of server computer from hot list when the user wants to visit the server computer. Browser enables a user to visit a server computer site directly and access information on it by specifying its uniform resource locator address. And it is a that is URL is an addressing scheme which www browsers use to locate sites on the internet. Many browsers have history feature. These browsers maintain a history of server computer visited by a user in surfing session. That is the save in the user's local computer's memory. The uniform resource locator addresses of server computers visited by him during a surfing session, so that if the user wants to go back to already visited server later on in, the link is still available in local computer's memory. Browser enables a user to download information in various formats like text file, HTML file or PostScript file. The user can use the downloaded information later. For example, the user can later print downloaded information saved as PostScript file on a PostScript compatible printer which can reproduce even graphic properly. And today there are many browsers available like Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Apple, Google Chrome, Bing, Safari, Netscape, MacWeb, etc. Now we see some we see the know about the internet search engines. An internet search engine is an application which helps users locate websites containing useful information and references to such information on the www. To search information on the www, user have to type the description of the information using the user interface of the search engine. And search engine then searches the requested information on the www and returns the results to the user. The result enables the user to locate the requested information quickly from the vast ocean of information available on the internet. Measurement of internet search engine. The The measurement of internet search engines are like first information discoverer. It discovers information from the www and creates a database for the search engine. The search engine uses the database to locate useful information during the search process. Information about their website to search engine. An information discoverer get this information in two ways. In manual method, author provides information about their website to the search engine, and in automatic method, information discoverer collect the information using programs such as web crawlers, robots and spiders. These programs periodically roam on the internet and store link of information about each page they visit along with their associated hyperlinks. Information discoverer then creates an index from the result of automated search. If a web page owners update his web page, the spider finds these changes and updates its index. Next element of search engine is search request interface. It enables user to provide description of desired information to the search engine. And depending on the complexity of this element, the search engine may allow specifications of simple keywords and phrases, combination of keywords and phrases using Boolean operators and exclusion inclusion operators, and title and uniform resource locator limiters. And the third elements of search engine is presenter of search results. It returns search results, ranking them in an order it believes is most relevant to the search. Search engine often lists search results in accordance to a relevance score. Relevance scores reflect the number of times a search term appears in web page. Some search engines also allow user to control relevance score by giving different weights to each search word. Some popular internet search engines are Google, Yahoo, Infosec, Lycos, Hotbot, Bing, etc. Now we see some useful that is use of internet. Some useful use of internet. So let's discuss this one by one. Online communication. Computer users around the world make extensive use of email services on the internet to communicate with each other. It has also chat facility to communicate with each other in real time. For example, Facebook.com provides chat facility. With email and chat facility, the internet has become a rapid and productive communication tool for millions of users. The next use is exchange of view on the topics of common interest. The internet has a number of news groups. Each news groups enables a group of users to exchange their view on some topic of common interest. For example, the news group searchwinit.com contains views of Microsoft Windows administrator and computing managers. The next use for internet is software sharing. It provides access to a large number of shareware software development tools and utilities. For example, Free Software Foundation provides a wealth of GNU software tools on the internet which a user can download free of charge. The software tools offered free offered by Free Software Foundation. Uh, Foundation, you can anonymous FTP to the internet site prep.at.meet.edu and look in the directory pub/gnu. The internet sites filehippo.com and isohunt.com also offer free downloadable software. There may be another site also. Now, exchange of view on topics of common interest. The internet has a number of news groups. Each news group enables. Now we have discussed this. Next use is organization promotion. Today, most organizations create their own websites uh, to disseminate timely information about corporate happenings, product announcement, press release, recent strategic alliances, and other information of potential interest to all concerned. The next use of internet is posting of information of general interest. Many users use the internet as a large electronic bulletin board and post on it information of general interest to bring it to the attention of interested users around the world. Some such information include career opportunities, event announcement, conference, and calls for papers for conference and journals. Now the next useful use of internet is product promotion and feedback about products. Commercial organization also use the internet to promote their products, services, and to gather information about user satisfaction of existing product, market opportunities of new product, and ideas for potential new product. An organization accomplishes this by putting up information about its product services on its website and having an interactive survey application on its websites. Next, online journals, magazine, encyclopedia, and dictionary. These are the use of internet. The internet now has literally thousands of electronic subscription found both for free and low cost. There are many www sites on the internet dealing with electronic version of many journals and magazines. There are also sites which provide access to electronic encyclopedia and or a dictionary. For example, the internet edition of the there are many. I am not going to take the name of such encyclopedia. And next use is customer support service. Many organizations also use the internet to provide timely customer support. The combined email, FTP, and other services on the internet provides necessary enabling tools for such first rate customer support. For example, a user of a software product can report bugs in the software to the organization that owns the software by email, and the organization can make available to its customers bug fixes, minor release, workaround, known problems and limitations, and general advice about the product via an FTP server. And the most important of internet in today's day is online shopping. So internet has facilitated introduction of a new market concept consisting of virtual shops. These shops remain open 24 hours all the year around and are accessible to purchasers all around the world. They provide information about products or services for sale through www servers. Using the internet services, customers submit a specific product queries and request a specific sales quotes. Through a well-defined authorization and authentication scheme, the virtual shop uses the internet service to accept orders placed by customers, to handle order payments, and to track order to fulfillment. And next one use is worldwide video conferencing. Worldwide video conferencing on the internet allows a group of users located around the globe to talk and interact with each other as if they were sitting and discussing in a single room. The parties interacting can see each other talking on their computer screens and can hear each other's voice through a special audio device fixed in their computers. And the next use is worldwide webcasting. Today many organizations use the internet to distribute a single audio or video content to many simultaneous listeners or viewers worldwide. The act of using the internet for broadcasting of such content is known as webcasting. A webcasting software distributes over the internet a media file containing audio or video content to many simultaneous listeners or viewers. It uses streaming in media technology to do. A webcasting software may distribute a media file either live or on demand. E-learning programs use webcasting to deliver lectures or seminars to an interested group with worldwide participation. Webinar is a new technology which refers to webcasting of a seminar. So these are the use of internet, and it is very important to know about the internet. And this all video is made by refurbished smart mobile Infinix. That is, I am using Infinix smart mobile to create these videos, lecture videos. And with this I would like to end this lecture here, and I think you have enjoyed this very much. So with this I like to end this lecture here.